Probably one of the most advanced robot mowers on the market. The main thing that sets this apart is that it has real blades and totally epic track wheels as well. And it does high enough quality of cut that even lawn snobs like myself, that has been kind of anti-robot mower for a long time, are feeling comfortable with the work that it's doing. This is what really sets the LYMOW robotic lawnmower apart. Check it out, you guys. Real legit lawnmower blades. And they came from the factory pretty darn sharp. I'm impressed. Let's see their tolerance. Oh boy, it does not get much closer than that. Look at that. That's fantastic. And then look at this. There's this big port right here that comes down as well as out. That is on both sides. And I'll show you, but these little screens here, and then there's some back here as well. There's a fan, a turbo fan inside there, and it blows a whole ton of air out of these ducts right here and pushes the clippings kind of down into the grass here, as well as blows the clippings out to the side as well to evenly spread them and minimize clumping. I've got these awesome omnidirectional wheels, and they actually move up and down to help with the height. So freaking cool. And then, of course, the other major standout feature are these heavy-duty epic tracks. So we'll come here to the app, and we'll go ahead and say mow.
Attention, lawnmower starting now.
And can you see that it has a little discharge port? You can kind of see the grass moving. Also, just an observation, you may or may not be able to see, but in this very tall grass, this is why I have it going slow speed, but there is a little mohawk right in the middle. Now that would probably be expected with how long this grass is. It's chopping off a good amount, but there is a little mohawk in the middle in certain spots. But that would be resolved with like a second pass. All right, that's one pass around the edge. Let's see if it does two. Yep, right on cue. Very crisp, straight lines. Look at that. All right, he just finished mowing, and he's supposed to follow along the edge of the lawn, which I think he's gonna do so that he does not ruin the beautiful stripes that he put in the lawn. Look how good that looks, you guys. Oh yeah, this is a lawn snob's dream. Look at this. He's just tracking very carefully around the edge and not messing up the lines. All right, and now for your enjoyment, he mowed up and down. You can see the nice lines, but the lawn was very long and there was some mohawking. So now I'm gonna have him go 90 degrees and kind of do the checkerboard pattern. I don't know if you can tell very good on the camera, but did a very, very nice job. There's a giant divot right here. There he goes. You see him climb out of that? See how he handles this obstacle again. Here we go. Up, did you see that? His bumper hit it. So he's gonna come out and around it and avoid it. Let's put this ball in its path here. Here it comes. Immediately slows down, reverses, look at that, and continues the striping pattern that it originally started. That's very cool. Stick that kind of down in the grass, and let's see what happens. Perfection. Watch how it handles this hill. With its track wheels, did you see that? It's got such great traction. All right, let's do an even more low profile thing. Let's mash that plate down into the ground a little bit. That is actually below the level of the long grass. So let's see if the LYMOW lawnmower is able to avoid it. Totally spotted it. Yeah, did you see him fall in? So let's watch him be able to maneuver out of this ditch. See, he's a little stuck, and then he maneuvered out, up and down. Very, very impressive maneuvering and traction. There he comes, and he noticed it. All right, next we're gonna test just some large leaves. See if that triggers the obstacle avoidance or if he mows it. Oh, look at that, it triggered it. Okay, next, just a single leaf. Let's see if he mows over that. That triggers over obstacle avoidance as well. Could potentially be an issue if, for example, autumn time, leaves have fallen, and he starts thinking that all the leaves are obstacles. And guys, something else that's a huge deal is this battery. It's huge for one thing. It's rated for almost 500 watt hours. And supposedly this battery is a lithium iron phosphate chemistry. Lithium iron phosphate is hands down the way to go because that chemistry lasts forever. So they're not trying to do a money grab by giving you the standard lithium ion battery chemistry that only lasts a couple hundred cycles. They're giving you the good stuff that legitimately lasts a long, long time. Many, many charge cycles and is a lot more tolerant to heat. So it having a lithium iron phosphate battery is a huge selling point. Those light-colored rounded parts are metal contacts. What has happened is that grass juice builds up, dries on, and then it tries to come and dock, and those little contacts there cannot make good contact with the metal underneath the mower, and then the mower will not charge. I've talked to LYMOW about this issue, and they are working to permanently fix it. Not everyone's going to, but if you are experiencing that issue, reach out to LYMOW. They have a little cleaning kit that they will send you to maintain these contacts so that they charge correctly. Please be sure and leave your comments and questions down below. I'm only going to have this for a limited time, but if I still have it and you've got questions or concerns or interests you'd like to see tested, please let me know, and I'll see if I can help answer them and clear them up for you. And then please let me know your opinion on this. I am very impressed with its cut quality and what it's able to do for a robot. This is stepping robot lawnmowers up by a large margin. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for 100% free things, but really, really benefit the channel. So many things are going behind paywalls these days, and I want to continue to bring this free content to you. So please do those 4 free things for me. I've always got more great content on the way for you. And we'll catch y'all next time.